Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can add numbers to WhatsApp group without actually saving them. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, what you will do is first of all just go to your WhatsApp app, and then what you will do is simply just go to any of the existing group first. If you want to add somebody in the existing group, simply go to your group, tap on your group info, simply tap on invite via link, simply copy the link if you would like, or you can simply tap on the share link. Here you will get all of the social media platforms where you would like to share your link to your non-saved contacts, and then you will have them request to get back to this group. And then the other thing you can do is simply tap on this QR code, simply you share your QR code as well, they will scan it and will get the request. And the other thing that you can do is simply just go back to your social media platform, place the copied link that you had just copied right there. And if you just want to add in a new group, it will simply just go to this three dot icon, go to this new group option. But the one thing that you have to make sure is that first participant of your group has to be somebody from your contact. So you will simply I will simply add my number over here saved in my contact. Then I will tap on this go option over here, and you can see simply name your contact, name your group, tap on this check mark, and here a group is again created. So if you just again tap on this profile over here, you can get this information. Simply tap on this invite via link again, and simply again copy link, share link, or use the QR to share this link with your friends with your number that is not saved in your contacts, and get them to your group over there. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply do it, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.